Hey, what's up? Hello, 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 my friends. Today, your friend is back again and going to do BTC analysis. And we'll look for it, where it is heading, what's gonna come, and what is gonna happen, right? Yes, you all are interested in the short-term market, but we should always have a perspective in the mind where we should see a long-term target and keep in the mind. Whenever we do trading, we have to look all kind of scenarios, right? So first thing first, as I always said, how we should start, we should always look for the days. We should always look for the days, and from the dates we will look for the shorter time frame, and we'll try to see where the Bitcoin is heading. Let me just, you can use those. Sometimes I use them for scalping. Those are good. These are good in making the blocks quickly. So what we can do is here we can see what is happening with the Bitcoin. Let me take care of all the drawings first. Let me remove that completely. Okay. All right. So guys, what's gonna happen is, as we are seeing in the daily, right? Since how many days? After the Bitcoin fall, right? I mean, from here, from 69 again, we do see a big selling, right? We do see after this a big selling straight down here. It stops here, it consolidate, make a support, start to go back up again, and now if you see again, it is again in a consolidation phase, right? So this is all again in a consolidation phase, which is a good thing. And that is happening from how many days? If you look at the consolidation part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 days, 14 days, the BTC is consolidating and looks like it's waiting for some movement, waiting for some direction. Which way, you know, everyone is this way or this way. So we will find out more in this video. Okay, so let's take a look. All right, so as we always say, whenever we started look at the market, first we have to further understand what exactly the trend is, right? And here if I ask you guys what trend it is in after making the lows, new lows, right, after this high, what trend is it in? It started to make a higher, you know, if I look at this structure, right, this bigger structure, it is always making higher low, right? Higher low, right? It's not making any higher high yet, but it's keep trying to make a higher high. On the other side, if you look at this structure at the bottom side, it is making lower lows. So higher low and lower low is not a bullish structure, guys. This is a bearish structure, right? It's in terms of the long term, if I say, right, it's keep going this way, and the lower low is going this way, right? So it is getting into this kind of particular structure, but eventually what's going to happen, right? It's yeah, I mean, it's still in the middle. So if you look at this particular structure, it is trying to do this, it make this, goes this, goes this, goes this, goes this, goes this. The chances it can break out higher, right? But which condition? It might has to test again those lows from where it retested and then started to go up again, right? So all what I am trying to see is wherever the BTC is right now, right? If I look at the bigger selling, right, the bigger selling was this, and right after that I see a big good buying came in. So what I will do, guys, whoever in the BTC trading, this will be, I'm drawing my support zone. If it break this support, I would highly recommend it to go out immediately. So this is my support, 57,908. it has, it has tested this multiple time. One, two, three, four. Four time it has tested, and it is getting on the problem is getting rejected, keep getting rejected at same level, which is this, right? So I can make, there must be some order block sitting here. I can draw that order block for you, but I'm trying to see where is a good order block sitting, right? So if you look at this level, 61,872, how many times? One, two, three, four, five, six. Six times it's rejected. But think about it, like four times it's rejected the bottom and six times rejected the top. Yes, so obviously we have selling pressure, right, in the market. If we see and look at the selling pressure, which side it is trying to get the BTC. If you look at this one, it is trying to, put the BTC in a downtrend. But the good thing in this movement right now is if I draw a trend line, as we always say, trend is our friend, it is going like this, right? If I look at this big wick, if I try to connect the big wick, instead of big wick, if I just try to connect these small one, right? This trend, this is telling me a bullish structure right now. However, this neckline is crucial here, right? This neckline. You see the where the selling occurred and the buying occurred. This was first was this, it break this, it comes back up, and now second neckline is this particular structure. You see this, where the sellers and the buyers meet, right? So all I'm seeing is this break trend line I'm drawing. However, it is not a right trend line. I just try to make it look good because I try to collect all the wicks, right? And that's how I'm trying to draw here. If I want me to do a correct one, this is the correct one. If you look at this one, I see some transparent wick. A bigger wick is coming here, right? So it is going like this. However, this wick is not a normal wick, right? So we could have see this way. If I consider that wick, which does not look normal, it could go like this, right? So what we can do is we can just clone it, and it should go in this fashion, right? And I can just point it another one and find out a trend, right? If I look at this trend right now, it is following it. It's keep trying, whenever it is trying to touch this trend line, it trying to go up. So guys, what all I can say is right now the Bitcoin is a completely a sideways, guys. This is, I will not consider this as a bullish. I will consider the bullish if this break this high. At least once it should break this particular high, right? And what is this high? Let me see. Let me draw it for you, right? So if I look at this one, look at this high, this particular draw, which is 62 and 743. So that high should break. If that high is breaking, then I can see the next is this 65 without any obstacles, right? Bitcoin will just go in one shot. And you know how volatile the Bitcoin is. So maybe the market is waiting from tomorrow. For tomorrow, it's a Jackson Hole, and Jerry Powell is gonna speak up tomorrow 10 a.m. in the morning. So we could have seen a bigger movements. It's gonna be highly volatile, and tonight market, like it's Eastern time. I'm making this video, which is right now it's 6 p.m. Eastern, so it's completely sideways. So all you can expect is this sideways momentum either has to break this particular trend line right here. This trend line has to break. So, but right now it is look like a little bullish momentum, which is keep following this trend. If this trend line did not break, it's gonna go like this. All right. So mark your levels. What I can say is These are your levels here, which I marked in the green. 61,915 is your first resistance, 62,612 is your second resistance. In terms of support, this is a big support, right? Sitting right here, 57 and 864. If it goes below it, you can see a more downside. So 57, 864 is your support. So be careful at this particular level. All right, guys. So this is all I can say in this video. Probably I'm gonna make more analysis video on this particular on Bitcoin after tomorrow 10 a.m. Eastern. Just be with me, always with me, and we're gonna provide you always something new on the Bitcoin. I think there is something, yeah, Fed share power 10 a.m. and durable goods order. I really don't care on this one, but this is important, guys. 10 a.m. All right, guys. So 58,600 or 500 is your support and resistance is 63. So if it falls down to these levels, right? I mean, if it comes to this level, you can buy this support. And if it does not cross this, right? Sell at this support, which is 62,612, 58,864 support. All right, guys. So this is what all I can say right now. So be very careful while trading the Bitcoin. That's all I can say for now. All right, guys. Thank you so much. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe. I will always come with new videos of Bitcoin with the analysis on it. Thank you.